GMR-led Hyderabad International Airport Limited has been awarded the Gold recognition by the Airports Council International Asia Pacific Green Airports Recognition 2021 in the below 25 million passengers per annum category. The award was decided by a distinguished global panel that recognized Hyderabad Airport's sustainable airport operations for effective air quality management. This is the fourth time in a row that the Hyderabad Airport has received this award. ACI's Green Airport Recognition Program promotes environmental best practices to minimize aviation industry's impact on the environment and recognize ACI's Asia Pacific members for outstanding environmental initiatives and projects. Zehra Mirza, great-great-granddaughter of Nizam VII, Mir Usman Ali Khan, has sold her art collection in her gallery to help the poor and COVID-19 patients. Zehra, an artist herself, is the daughter of Himayat Ali Mirza, grandson of Mauzam Jah, the second son of the last ruler of princely Hyderabad state. Proceeds from the sale of her paintings have been distributed to various hospitals and charitable organizations that are working for the poor and COVID-19 patients during these hard days. So far, around 4 lakh rupees have been donated. She is the great-granddaughter of Princess Nilofer, whose charity led to the formation of Telangana's biggest government hospital for children and pregnant women, the Nilofer Hospital in Hyderabad. Zehra is also an upcoming businesswoman and fashion designer. She has been working for the welfare of cancer patients. The central government has booked 30 crore doses of another made in India vaccine to be manufactured by Hyderabad-based Biological Ease COVID vaccine, which is still in final phase of the clinical trials. Biological Ease vaccine is currently in phase 3 clinical trials after showing promising results in phase 1 and 2, and it is likely to be available in the market in the next few months, said the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The ministry is learned to have made an advance payment of 1,500 crore rupees to the firm, the second made in India vaccine manufacturer after Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The move is expected to be a sigh of relief for the centre, facing wide criticism amid shortage of COVID vaccine during the second wave of the pandemic. Biological E short, the ministry said, was given 100 crore rupees in financial assistance by the Department of Biotechnology, which also partnered with the company to conduct various studies. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa on Thursday announced extending the lockdown for a week from 7th of June till 14th of June to contain the COVID-19 spread. Yediyurappa told a press conference that the government had earlier announced stringent restrictions from 24th of May till 7th of June to contain the spread of coronavirus. Though the infections have reduced, the spread of the disease is still on. The government has decided to extend the restrictions by a week following the recommendations of experts till 14th of June. Indian Hospital Group in the United Arab Emirates announced it will rebuild the lives of the family members of its medic that lost the COVID-19 battle by providing them with financial support for 10 years. Aster DM Healthcare is one of the larger healthcare service providers operating in India and the Middle East. The company operates 27 hospitals, 115 clinics, and 225 pharmacies with more than 21,000 employees. These include more than 2,880 doctors, 6,280 nurses, and nearly 11,000 support staff. Our dedicated staff has been the true heroes in this fight against COVID-19, who put the needs of the patients ahead of their own, the company's founder, chairman, and managing director Dr. Azad Moopen told the National News. Salman Khan and Netflix India have now taken it upon themselves to help out the stunt artists registered under the body. Action Director Ejaz Gulab, who is the General Secretary of the association, said that the body had not received any help until now, adding, "Now we are getting help from Salman Khan and the money will be transferred into the accounts of our members. Even Netflix will be helping our association, so there is some relief for members who have been sitting at home without work." During the first lockdown, actors like Tiger Shroff and Ajay Devgan had extended help to the stunt artists. With the onset of southwest monsoon on the Kerala coast, heavy rain slashed several parts of Telangana since early hours of Thursday, the Met officials have said. Many districts received rains with lightning and gusty winds, inundating low-lying areas and damaging paddy kept in paddy procurement centers at several places. Narayanpet, Vanaparthi, Mehbubnagar, Vikharabad, Khammam, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Medchal, Malkajgiri and other districts have received the rains. Hyderabad Meteorological Center has forecast light to moderate thunderstorms with lightning and gusty winds with speed up to 30 km per hour or more in several districts. Rains submerged roads and also disrupted electricity supply at some places. Farmers who had stored paddy at procurement centers set up by the authorities were worried over the losses. That's it for today. Thank you, viewers.